It's 7:45, 21 degrees out. So we got everything that had buds, leaves. We got little blankets on them so they didn't get cold. Coral bark. The 2 Jap maples. Yeah, always a must if you want to keep that healthy looking plant. Protect it from these frost mornings in the spring. The only reason I'm up and ready right now, got a dump truck backing up the driveway right now. So we'll see what they're gonna drop off. Let's see. Going inside to get some coffee. It's freezing out here. Ah. So the rocks got dropped off at the house this morning. Came out here to the farm, picked up the amazing dump trailer that my brother-in-law is gonna let me use. It's brand new. We're gonna look at it real quick. But yeah, they got, boom. Ooh, you see that over there? They got their house being built now, got the walls going up. Good stuff in there, man. So, walk over here to the barn real quick, show you the dump trailer. Brand new, pretty much. I don't even think the inside is even scarred up. Nope. He got himself a new tractor to go to his land. So yeah. Got the house here for the animals and whatnot. So I'll show you real quick what an amazing little piece of property this is. We're on the far side of the property at the barns and stable area. Let me zoom in over there. That's where the house is going. So we're heading into town to get the 2 ton of the larger chalet stones to go on the border on the back side of the house. All right. So saw I had my soulmate with me. We're gonna pick those up and head to the house. The boys should be, I just talked to them, should be going ahead and putting the preen down in the beds and starting the fabric mission around the back. So I'll check back in when we get to the stone yard, let y'all see how big that operation is. I don't care for the traffic in Richmond getting to the place, and I don't care for the amount of contractors in and out of these huge places. It's chaos. That's why I moved back to my little mountain town. I didn't like it up here, but I'm kind of a calm, anti-stress kind of dude, you know? So let's go ahead and roll on out, and I'll check back in. All right, guys, we got a lot of fabric down already. Dalton's going and making holes enough for water to get to the plants right now. We have Ian and my soulmate over here shoveling away. Boom. That's a pile.
I didn't crack it and crack it in the middle. Not a deadlift yet.
You freak.
Amen.
Oh, goodness gracious.
Yeah.
I gotta go spread rock. Put some gloves on. That's a pile of stone, man. Woo-hoo-hoo. Goodness gracious. And then come look at the dump truck real quick. Or the dump trailer, excuse me. Check out the dump trailer. So look, pulled up the stone yard, scoop guy came up and said, hey, two tons. All right, that's two tons. He was on the machine, I was on the ground. What y'all saw loading up, 4 tons. Now I have 4 tons of edging stone, but we're gonna save all the humongo pieces and use those on accent points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, at least 6 different places. So that'll be cool also. We'll get some footage. Finally caught up on piles. They've been rocking through this pretty quickly. I've been spreading it. So finally caught up. What are the natives saying here?
You're back on your knees, boy.
Huh, I hear you. Every single time you shovel is like hitting the screw.
Over and over and over and over and over.
Oh Lord. So yeah, those wheelbarrows, they're just dumping them. I'm shifting them out, covering the area, making it thick enough, but you don't want to waste materials on this stuff, all right? Sweet, more wheelbarrows coming my way. I'm not showing you what it looks like yet. Nope. Not gonna show you what it looks like yet. That would be a shame. You'd like show you a half fabricked, half stoned bed. I wouldn't do that. We'll wait till the whole section's stoned over. Then we'll show it to you. Oh my God. Oh, I lied, man. They dump it. They're doing good.
Hey, bringing them in, dumping them?
They dump them in piles. I've been spreading them, girl. You better relax. You best relax, man.
He is literally my son.
What?
Mom's over it.
I'm gonna chop up dirt instead of dig. It's all the same thing. It's 4 and 5. So you said that.
Okay. 4 o'clock.
Yeah, 4 o'clock. I don't need to eat. I just need a snack.
Why don't you just eat? Yeah. You called it, Dad.
Nothing. All this rock
tried.
wrapped in it.
They preened and they dressed it with fabric. Yeah. And we dug the weeds out.
We should do a good job.
Dig the what?
Do another weed job.
Yeah, it's all gone. I think we did only the preen and then the fabric. No, sir.
I forgot that stuff. We dig it out. I mean, I would have seen it.
Yeah, but they were a pain in the ass to get out.
I know, the big carrot root thing.
Yeah.
Snack time, everybody. All right, snack time. It's time for them to take a little break. I'm gonna take a little break. Woo, it's gonna look good. Yeah. I don't remember if I've eaten yet today. I don't think we did. I think we had coffee 2 or 3 times. Whatever. Time to eat. We'll be back. Still not gonna show you what it looks like yet. Not yet. No, not yet. Looking good. 5 o'clock, Monday. Getting it accomplished little by little, shovel by shovel. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep rolling on the pile. See how quickly it disappears. I think I need to replace this wheelbarrow. That's what we get. Is it in there now? I got vice grips. I'm just gonna hammer that a little, squeeze it. What do you think? Time for new wheelbarrows.
I told you this before.
He just said screw y'all, man.
I told you this before we started it.
All right, everybody. I don't even, it's Monday, all right? Like 8 o'clock at night. She's cold, I'm tired. The boys are inside getting already cleaned up. I let them off a little earlier, so. Got a little bit more planting done. See y'all